There's no better way to jumpstart your day than with a great piece of toast for breakfast. And you can get it perfect every single time with the Wolf Gourmet Toaster. Nobody wants a challenge first thing in the morning, and this model of stainless steel ingenuity with advanced electronics will never disappoint. You'll be able to toast your bread, light, dark, and everything in between without pulling out an instruction manual. This toaster has extra wide slots for artisanal breads, pastries, and bagels of all sizes. A good toaster should brown evenly on both sides. The Wolf Gourmet has a self-centering bread guide that positions the thinnest to thickest slices upright and centered for even browning every time. And the extended bread lifter makes retrieving your toast a breeze. Bagel settings know to toast only the inside and warm the outsides, while the frozen setting automatically adds extra toasting time needed to defrost waffles and breads to just out of the oven freshness. Plus, the Keep Warm setting will allow you to keep your bread warm in the toaster until you're ready to eat it. Just know pressing cancel at any time will stop whatever you're using. Side crumb trays slide out for easy cleaning inside, and a simple wipe of the outside keeps your Wolf Gourmet toaster shining bright. If you want to kick it up a notch in the morning, try a smoothie made in the Wolf Gourmet blender. Once you've had a taste of our seed and fiber-free delights, you'll never go back. This high-performance blender has a 2.4 peak horsepower motor that propels blades over 210 miles per hour. More durable and reliable, the Wolf Gourmet blender provides exceptional performance with responsive speed control. Drop in those berries and walk away. The blender will crush fibers and rupture plant cells to release more nutrients and produce smoother results in no time at all. The LCD display will let you know when your drink is ready. Don't put that blender away just yet. Choose another of the 4 convenient program settings: hot soups, purees, and crushed ice. With the press of a button, the blender will take charge. But if you want more control, the infinitely variable speed control, count up timer, and pulse button of manual mode will allow you to control your blending for any culinary concoction. Great cooks take risks. Challenge your skills with foods that seem unconventional for blending. Create fresh nut butter or a fruit sorbet. And if you want to make fresh homemade salad dressings, the 2-piece cap assembly has an emulsion cup for just that purpose. No one likes to clean a blender, but this is easy. Just run it with soapy water, unplug it, and wipe the die-cast and stainless steel base with a damp cloth. If you're going to make space on your kitchen counter for an oven, then the Wolf Gourmet countertop oven is the perfect choice. Its impressive versatility, consistent cooking, and thoughtful design deliver the same quality and look of a Wolf range right on your countertop. 6 different modes give you flexibility to proof, warm, roast, bake, broil, and toast with confidence. This remarkable oven can easily accommodate most 9x13 casserole dishes. The key to even cooking is its 5 heating elements and advanced electronics. Temperature controls have been precisely calibrated for every mode to deliver the best cooking performance. For those crazy days when you need to cook something quick and easy, choose the unique perimeter convection feature and get faster results. The secret to even cooking is the optimal size, placement, and power of the air vents and convection fan. They surround your food with circulating heat, preventing hot spots to ensure even browning and cooking. Plus, the integrated temperature probe takes the guesswork out of cooking meat. Just insert it with one hand, then check the display. You'll see the actual temperature of your meat and the oven temperature without even opening the oven door. There is a baking pan and broil rack included with the oven, and you can use them together for broiling or separately for baking and cooling. And look how smoothly the racks slide forward, making it easy and safe to remove your hot meals. Inside, you'll notice the oven has a non-stick interior and a removable crumb tray that's dishwasher safe and easy to clean. For a lifetime of great meals, choose Wolf Gourmet small appliances so you can always cook with confidence.